Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing higher on Wednesday, lifted by shares in automobiles and components, semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, as well as energy sectors. The U.S. Federal Reserve releasing the minutes of the December FOMC meeting, stating that timing of future policy tightening less clear, where the central bank could be patient about further rate increases, citing volatility in financial markets and increased concerns about global growth. This all as advancers ahead of decliners, 69% of SP500 constituents trading higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Bed Bath & Beyond announcing third quarter EPS of 18 cents versus 44 cents a year ago on net sales of $3.03 billion. Boeing upgraded to overweight from equal weight over at Morgan Stanley, while Lockheed Martin downgraded to equal weight from overweight at Morgan Stanley. Turning overseas, Asian markets mostly down today. The Nikkei down 1.29%, the Hang Seng up 0.22%. China CSI 300 down 0.19%, and South Korea's Kospi down 0.07%. European markets trading lower, and U.S. futures calling for a negative start. Now, there's no major earnings expected today, but on the economic docket, 8:30 in the morning of initial jobless claims figures, continuing claims, as well as November wholesale inventories and wholesale trade sales. Turning over to the markets, the SP 500, that's turning down, and that's in focus. The relative strength index shows downside momentum. The index validating a bearish breakout of a rising wedge. Short positions below 25.82 are favored, with targets at 25.47 and 25.35 in extension. The Nasdaq, that's turning down, while the Dow Jones, that's turning down as well.